Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to give accounted access on your Xero platform. So actually you can see we are already landed in our Xero platform and we are on our dashboard. As you know what is the uses of this platform, I hope you know, so I will go to the main work. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main tasks. So how we can add accounted access on our Xero platform. So here you just need to be click on your username. Once you click over here, then the pop-up will be arrive in front of your desktop. From that place you just need to be select the setting. Once you click over here, then it will give you the organization setting here. So here you can see under the general setting options, you will get the options for users, where you can add, remove or modify your users. You can give access to anyone. So here you can see multi-factor authentications project. This is me and I already have this standard application. So here if I want to invite a user, you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, you just need to provide the address. Let's provide an address, then click this one and then provide a Gmail address. So I will copy the Gmail address from that place because I don't remember the Gmail address. That's the reason. So in my case, I will copy the Gmail address from that place, then I'll paste it here, and here they are telling us to provide the permission. So as a user to access project, then I will check this one. If I feel that this is not his genre of work, then I will just uncheck it. Or if I feel that payroll admin, then I can enable this one, allow the user to full access. Then I am looking for an accounting, so I will only allow this one, and from that place I can select any of them. So I will select this one, then here I can invite new user. No, I will not give him this one. Then add a message, personal the invite, I can add it and personal message for this one, and then I'll just select that same invitations. Once I click over here, then here actually you can see that the accountant already get the invitation and now he is in pending. So let's check our Gmail, and here you can see you are invited to accountant as an accountant. So the invitation will expire in 14 days. Just click on accept invitation and they will tell you to create an account. So here you just need to click over here accept, and then you just need to provide password confirm, and then you will integrate with this platform as an accountant. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.